Nnamdi Kanu's health. Court to decide on emergency transfer to National Hospital on Monday. In a development that underscores ongoing concerns over the health of detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The Federal High Court in Abuja is scheduled to hear a critical motion on Monday, September 15, 2025. The motion, filed on behalf of Kanu, the IPOB leader, seeks his immediate transfer from the custody of the Department of State Services, DSS, to the National Hospital in Abuja for urgent medical treatment. The motion in question was filed on September 3, 2025, under the suit number FHC ABJ CR 383-2015 by Kanu's lead counsel, Chief Kanu Agabi, San. It was initially granted ex parte, without the other party present, by Justice Musa Liman during the court's vacation period, allowing for an expedited hearing due to the urgency of the matter. Justice Liman emphasized that the right to health is as fundamental as the right to life, justifying the vacation court's intervention. Supporting the application is a 14-page affidavit deposed by Emmanuel Kanu, Nnamdi's younger brother. According to the affidavit, Kanu recently reported severe weakness and body pains, prompting the family to involve medical experts. On September 1, 2025, a team of doctors led by Emeritus Professor Austin A.C. Agaji examined Kanu and reviewed tests conducted in August. The diagnosis revealed serious health issues, including problems with his liver and kidneys, dangerously low potassium levels, a swelling in the armpit area requiring immediate investigation and treatment. The doctors recommended transferring Kanu to the National Hospital as an interim measure to prevent further deterioration, especially given the constraints of his confinement in DSS custody. Agabi argued in the motion that Kanu's health is rapidly declining, and a letter from the medical team to the DSS Director General urging the transfer has gone unanswered. He stressed that granting the motion would not prejudice the DSS or the federal government, as it is a temporary step while Kanu's broader bail application, filed on May 19, 2025, but delayed by the court's vacation, remains pending. Kanu himself has previously voiced complaints about his treatment during court appearances, alleging in one session before Justice Bintanyako that he was receiving nonsense medication for a pre-existing heart condition and was being patched up inadequately. His lawyers, including Uchenna Njoku, SN, reiterated during the ex parte hearing that the request is not for full release or bail, but for monitored specialist care at a proper facility. The hearing is set for Monday before Justice Liman, who has directed that all court processes be served on the respondents, the DSS, and the Attorney General of the Federation so they can present their case. Agabi assured the court that the application falls within its jurisdiction and is necessary to avert a health crisis. If approved, the transfer would allow Kanu access to advanced diagnostics and treatment, potentially including biopsies for the armpit swelling and management of his organ-related issues. Legal observers note that this motion highlights broader human rights concerns in high-profile detentions in Nigeria. Amnesty International and other groups have previously criticized the DSS for denying Kanu adequate medical access, echoing similar complaints from other detainees. The outcome could influence public discourse on prisoner rights and the handling of self-determination cases. Family Writers Press International.